How to cancel ESPN subscription.
So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to your Apple ID at the very top. It will land you on a space. Tons of different options will be visible to you. But you need to head over to subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. It will lead you to this page. So in this page, it will show you all the list of the application that you have bought the subscription of. But right now you can see that none of the application is available in here, which means that I don't have any subscription of the app. But for you,
If you have the subscription of ESPN app,
then it will be available in this page. All you want to do is head over to it. Once you move into it, the option of cancel subscription will be visible to you. You simply want to tap on it. Once you click on cancel subscription, the subscription will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel
ESPN subscription.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.